Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Celsius app and export transaction history, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Celsius app, start by locating the app on your device. If you are using an Android device, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall from the menu. Confirm the action by tapping OK or uninstall when prompted. For iOS users, start by finding the Celsius app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it starts to shake. Tap the X that appears on the corner of the app icon. Confirm the deletion by selecting Delete when prompted. Now that the app is uninstalled, you may want to export your transaction history. To export your transaction history, you will first need to log into your Celsius account on a web browser. Visit the official Celsius website and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Transaction History section of your account dashboard. Look for an option to export your history, usually labeled as Export or Download. Select the desired format for export, often available in CSV or PDF. Your transaction history will either download automatically or prompt you to save the file. Choose a location on your device to save the file for easy access later. Once the download is complete, you can find your transaction history in the location you selected. This completes the process of uninstalling the Celsius app and exporting your transaction history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.